Hi, good morning. So you're already RIPPA old friend. I'd really love to hear your real story. How did you first discover us?
About 15 months ago, we do some look on the internet and we see fantastic reviews about RIPPA, the products, the service, and we organised a visit to the factory here 1 year ago, and we were very impressed with what we see. The new building, the construction, the cleanliness, it was immaculate. It was. Yeah.
All right, thank you. So everyone has a first time story. The day you first worked with RIPPA, what was it that made you say yes?
Just the size, the scale of the company, the speed in which they can deliver their products, the reliability, the quality. It's fantastic.
Yeah, okay. After today's simple tour with our factory, what you want to say with the factory?
The factory is just mind-blowing. It's massive. And the speed that it's been expanded when we were here 1 year ago to what it is now, it's a credit to RIPPA and the people here.
Okay, thank you. And just now I see you take some video pictures with our product, and you also touched something. How do you think the quality of RIPPA?
The quality?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's very good. You can't fault it. You just look down the line and you can see it's shining. The floors are clean. Everything's just fantastic again.
Okay, thank you. If you had to submit within one sentence, what's the biggest value of working with RIPPA?
Quality, reliability, service, and delivery speed.
Okay, thank you.
No delays in delivery.
Thank you very much. 3 years from now, what do you hope RIPPA will become?
A world leader in excavation, earthmoving equipment.
Okay, finally you can say something with RIPPA or whatever.
It's a privilege to work with RIPPA, the product, the quality. The people here are fantastic, very friendly, and yeah, we just love the product itself. It's great, fantastic product.